Hey everyone, today I will show you how to pin post on Instagram, and here is how it is done. Currently, Instagram doesn't have this feature available to everyone, but it is coming very soon. This new feature will allow us to pin posts directly to our Instagram profiles. Some users may already have access to it since it is still in the testing phase. So, how does it work? When this feature rolls out, you'll be able to pin a post by going to your profile and selecting the picture you want to pin. Once you open the post, you will notice three dots at the top right. By clicking on these dots, you will see a menu where options like archive, delete, edit, hide, like count, and turn off commenting are available. The pin to profile option will also appear in this menu. Just click on pin to profile and that post will be pinned to the top of your Instagram profile. And that is everything you need to know about how to pin posts on Instagram. And may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.